What's your name?
My name is Anna.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from France.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you work every day?
No, I don't.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do.
What is your hobby?
I like reading books.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.